Today I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the bank reconciliation tool in AgExpert Accounting. Bank reconciliation involves comparing your recorded transactions with your bank's records to identify and resolve any discrepancies. This process helps ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Before we begin, here are a couple tips to help you with bank reconciliation. Transactions should always be entered in a way that reflects reality. For example, unless it was a batch deposit, avoid lumping entries together. Enter transactions separately whenever possible. Always check the account the money is being deposited to or withdrawn from, as well as the date of your transaction before pressing save. Using the trial balance dated the first day of your fiscal year, ensure that the opening balance for your bank account is correct. It is recommended to reconcile your bank accounts 1 month at a time instead of attempting to reconcile the entire year at once. From the AgExpert Accounting dashboard, click Banking on the left and click Bank Reconciliation. This window will show all the bank reconciliations that have been completed or are in progress. Click Reconcile Bank Account. Click Choose and select the bank account you wish to reconcile. Select the statement end date and its corresponding ending balance as per your bank statement. Note that this may not always be the last day of the month. The system will then display a list of transactions within that date range that affect that bank account. Compare each transaction with your bank statement. I like to sort the entries in chronological order, but you can click on the column names to sort the transactions in different ways to suit your preference. Select the entries that you see on your bank statement, one at a time. Missing entries will most likely need to be entered or corrected. You can save and resume this process at any time, and changes made will instantly appear here. The opening balance or forward balance, plus or minus the transactions on that statement, should equal the end statement balance entered above. You should have a difference of 0 once you've checked all the transactions that match your bank statement. A difference other than 0 would mean that there is either one or more transactions missing, a transaction that may have been entered incorrectly, such as a deposit that should have been a withdrawal, or vice versa, or perhaps a transaction that has been entered with an incorrect amount, or a transaction may have been entered more than once. It is best to systematically address these issues one at a time. Avoid doing correctional entries to fix differences, as they may cause reconciliation issues in the future. You can reverse the most recent bank reconciliation if need be by returning to Banking, Bank Reconciliations, and then by clicking Reverse. Lastly, to streamline the process, you can import electronic bank statements from a QuickBooks or a Quicken format file. Simply download your bank statement in the compatible format from your bank website. In AgExpert Accounting, go to Banking, Import Transactions, and click Import. Select the file to import from the location you downloaded the file earlier. The system will attempt to match imported transactions with existing entries. Click on the plus button to import a transaction. Review the information and press Save. If the transaction exists, or if it's a partial match, you can click the Find Transaction link above to manually find it and correct it so that it appears as a full match. Continue importing transactions in this fashion until you are complete. Manually review and confirm the matches and add any unmatched transactions as needed. Now you can return to the bank reconciliation tool to efficiently reconcile your transactions. And that's it! As you can see, AgExpert is solid, simple, and built for the farm. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at 1-800-667-7893.